So we're here today with Margot T Design Group and her client Katie and her new demolition project. Margot completely designed this place for her and it's called Injecting Confidence.
I really wanted a beautiful, elegant, elevated space to offer to patients for their experience when they come in to get a service. And so I wanted it to be approachable and functional and beautiful. And so Margot helped me make all of that come to fruition. And so I couldn't be happier with how everything turned out, and we're excited to show you guys around. It was important to me to create just a functional space where each room was able to just be utilized in the best possible way. And I really wanted a break room that sort of felt like your own home and where employees can come and take a break from the day but feel very comfortable and like they can have everything that they want. And so we did lots of cabinets. So I love how just clean and functional the cabinets have been in each of the rooms, but specifically I would say this is the room that we really utilized the design of the cabinetry and made it useful and functional and beautiful. In expanding my business and moving into a new space, I knew that I wanted to have it designed and just really sort of elevate the whole experience. And so it was a very long process and took a lot of time, and I knew it was going to be expensive, but I was willing to put the time and money into, this next sort of expansion of my business. And so I got a few quotes on designing out and building out a space from several different companies, and I went with a company that I was really excited about, had a lot of commercial experience, and to be honest, it was a wonderful experience for the first couple months, but then as the numbers started coming in, and the budget of what I had given them was just completely out of line for what I was able to accomplish with my financials. It put me in a really sticky position of, what do I do now? And so I reached back out to Margot, who I knew had this professional background and was an interior designer.
So as Katie's client, we had a nice conversation about the situation that she was in. And I said, yeah, we can fix this. We can make this something that is really beautiful, but that does not break your budget. I think that everybody deserves good design, and you don't have to have $10 million to do it. There are definitely ways to make a space beautiful like this without, going into serious debt, and still a really comfortable place for Katie and her clients and everybody. So that was the goal. So we crunched some numbers and we, did what we could to bring the budget back down to, something that Katie could still feel good about what was happening in the space, but also, really gonna bring her business to success, which is really, what the partnership that we created for that. The other point that I want to make based on Highland's Cabinetry is that her original designer had spec'd out IKEA cabinets.
Oh.
And I was like, you know what, Katie, I have this cabinet line that I love, and the price point is really good. It's a really great product, and they have some really beautiful options. So actually, Katie and I came in and we looked, and we picked these, which actually look fantastic in this space. Also, the functionality of them is really pretty fantastic. So yeah, right off the bat, I think I said that to you. I'm like, we don't have to do IKEA cabinets. We have other options, and we'll still stay in budget, and it'll be beautiful. Yeah, but the whole process has just been wonderful. Had a great time with this project. I'm really proud of it. I'm really proud of how we worked together and how it's all come together.
So what would you say the time frame was, like start to finish, for the entire project?
We had about 6 months to when we had to start paying rent. She made that happen by the something.
Oh my gosh.
Some miracles in the world.
Yeah, it was, I have to give credit to my crews.
Yeah.
I mean, there were a couple of weekends where they worked like nonstop, and I'm not kidding when I say 24/7. And, it was all because we really wanted to get Katie back in here and working. We knew that we were taking over a project that had kind of gone south a little bit in several different ways. So I have pretty great crews who I would go home and then I'd come back at like 6 in the morning and they were literally still working. And I'm like, oh my gosh, you guys. And they're just like, well, we just want to get this done. And, no joke, some really hard work went in. But I'm a business owner. And I know that if I was in a situation where like, hey, you can't work for a little bit, I'd be like, what? Like, that is very scary to me. And I didn't want that to happen to Katie.
So yeah, you walk into this space and just like having a vision for what you wanted, or was there?
So we worked together. It all starts with the floor plan and the layout and, making sure that all of Katie's business needs are met, and then any needs that she wanted for her clients or, her employees as well. So we just had kind of an in-depth conversation about that. We did some tweaking. We were able to get some extra space based on changing some things up from the original design. And so that was huge. Extra space is massive. Space planning is one of my favorite things in the world to do. So that worked out really well. Again, I keep talking about the cabinets because really it's huge. And in a space like this, we have cabinets in probably 80% of the rooms here for storage, and all of the little things that she uses for her business and staying organized. Huge. It's huge.
Looking at the design, Margo's like, do you want cabinets here? I'm like, yes. She's like, okay, well, what about if, here? And I was like, yes. The answer is always yes. I love the cabinets. Let's do cabinets. And in my old space, I had 3 small rooms and 2 cabinets and then a tiny little sink. So in this new space, I was like, I just want it to feel just really functional and be able to be really organized.
Have you noticed a little more ease in your day-to-day?
Yeah, for sure. Like I think that, it's a more organized, clean appearance for the person coming in, and, getting injections in your face, you definitely want clean and organized, So I don't have to have as much stuff out, on the counter, or I'm not, moving things around as much because it's just very like organized within my cabinet.
It's cool to see too the Slim Shaker in a med spa. Like when we were like going through the process, I'm like, all right, how is this gonna turn out? And then I came in and you gave me a tour and I was like, whoa. Yeah. Like it really works in here.
It really does. It's a beautiful look. It's clean. It's a little more upscale, I'd say. Like the regular shaker is, of course, just utilitarian and always going to look good. But I just wanted to elevate it a little bit, and it was kind of a no-brainer when we walked into the showroom.
Yeah, we immediately.
Because you were talking about doing the European frameless.
Yeah, and I just, to be honest, I just felt like this was just that actually you see a lot in offices and, spaces, and I think that this is an upgrade from that, personally, from a design standpoint. That's why I thought it would look better. Plus, Katie talking about how she kind of does want this to feel homey, less office-y and more homey. So to me, this was just a nice kind of mid-design look. So yeah.
Works perfect for the space, and it's cool to see throughout. You have the break room, the kitchen, and then you also have it in your offices.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So this is
product pull room.
My product pull room, medical inventory. This is where all of the wellness products, diagnostic testing, mixing bags, all of that is done in here. And I mean, there's so much space. As you can see, I'm still kind of like putting things in boxes and labeling them and organizing it so it's functional. So all of our sort of skincare is in one area, and then all of my injectable filler, Botox stuff is kind of here, so I can sit and pull up all of my stuff. So it's just beautiful and functional and lovely.
It was a unique space to space plan. You know, obviously you see how it turns, and then we have these 45s. But what we did was we cut down these cabinets. So these cabinets were cut down by your team to the 18 inches, which allowed us to actually do the cabinets on both sides. And then this 45, we had this, what I do like about the cabinets is that we do have people that can like kind of, you know, tweak them. So this is just like a door that we put on this, and we're like, I mean, why lose all of the space right here on this corner?
Yeah.
So I was a little concerned at first when I was laying out the space, because this particular room was kind of laid out based on what was happening on either side of the walls, right? So it kind of just laid out this way organically based on the space. But we were able to, as you can see, cram so much cabinetry in here. Again, by cutting these down so that, you know, it's not too crowded. And then we did some tall cabinets, which is really nice. We were able to get the fridge in. So yeah, this space, the storage in here is phenomenal.
I just can't wrap my head around you saying you went from 2 cabinets in your last place?
Yep.
2 cabinets.
2.
Just
two
per room.
Two per room. Like tinier than this.
Yeah.
Wow.
2.
Yes.
I know.
Yeah.
So this is like a dream.
Katie was so excited to have all of this extra space that she was moving things in before we were even ready for her. She's like showing up with boxes.
What do I do with this?
Okay, guys, I got some of my stuff that I want to put in your cabinets. I'm like, the cabinets aren't installed yet, but let's throw them in the closet, and we'll get right back to you as soon as we can. She was so excited to have all of this extra storage space in her life, and definitely, I mean, lots of goodies in there, super organized, and they look beautiful. I mean, they just look really beautiful.
Here is my office. I have beautiful, just wide open windows and all of my beautiful cabinets, lots of them. I'm able to, you know, just kind of really organize things. I have a lot of needles, a lot of syringes, a lot of different supplies and whatnot, and I'm able to kind of just have it be really functional. So then, you know, when I'm working on a patient, I have everything sort of readily available. But then I also have a desk, and I'm able to sit down with people and have a consultation and just, you know, have the whole process just be seamless, you know, and easy for whoever's coming in, and then also have this, you know, space look pretty.
Comparably, like from, you know, since I was at our old space, this is just so amazing for you. So amazing for you. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm glad that you're loving it, and it was great working with you, Margot. I appreciate you being a valued client at Highland Cabinetry.
Great working with you too, thanks.